Traveling by train.
Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you. Is this the train to London?
Yes, it is. The next stop is Oxford.
Great. How long is the trip?
About 2 hours.
Where can I put my luggage?
You can put it above your seat.
Thank you. This is my first time traveling by train.
No problem. Enjoy the ride.
I will. Thanks.